Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make a healthy tea from the mulberry leaves, and I'm going to show you how to pick the leaves and brew the tea and talk about the awesome benefit. Let's get started. First, we need to pick some fresh mulberry leaf. Look for the leaves that are bright green and healthy. Gentle pluck the leaf from the tree. It is best to pick in the morning after the dew has died. Don't forget to thank the tree. Thank you. Now that we have our leaves, it is time to prepare them. First, we need to wash them thoroughly to remove the dirt and any bugs. After washing, pat them dry with a clean towel. To make 1 cup of tea, you will need 3 to 5 fresh mulberry leaves. If the leaves are large, you can cut into small pieces. Placing leaves into the teapot, boil some water. Carefully pour the hot water over the leaves and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Remember, the longer it steeps, the stronger the flavor. Our tea is ready. Let's give it a try. Lightly sweet. Benefit of mulberry leaf tea. It's rich in nutrients. It boosts your immunity system. It's good for your digestion. It supports your heart health. So many reasons to enjoy this wonderful tea. I hope you have fun learning how to make mulberry leaf tea. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Happy tea making!